Mason, Tennessee, population about 1,700 folks, is located on State Highway 59, about 43 miles northeast of Memphis. Now, presently, Mason is in the elite group of one of the safest communities in both Tennessee and the nation to live in. But be very, very careful when driving through because Mason is known for its speed traps, so slow down. Bozo's is Mason's one of two best-known landmarks, of which both are right off the highway. Bozo's has been serving up delicious barbecue since 1923 when Thomas Jefferson Bozo Williams opened up in a tiny building with only enough room to serve folks from the counter with a pig sandwich costing only 15 cents.
Really?
And just south of here, just past the post office, is the original, world-famous Gus's Fried Chicken's first location, where it first opened its doors in 1973. Check out its website. It's amazing that two famous restaurants originated here in this small town.
Hey!
Where the arrow is pointing is where Reese Witherspoon and Joaquin Phoenix sat for the 2005 Walk the Line Academy Award-winning movie. The scene in Bozo's is where she says to him, "I'd like to ask you how you came up with that sound."
Love that.
The present owner of Bozo's is John Papagagorian, and he's been the owner-manager for going on 14 years. Now, I met and chatted with him, and folks, he's the real deal. Super nice guy. He makes you feel at home in his restaurant. He's very passionate about having the best service, the best food, the best atmosphere, and I tell you what, he succeeded on all counts. On their Walk the Line wall are photos taken inside the restaurant during the filming.
Hi there.
Since a long time ago, not too much has changed about Bozo's. As a certified National Historical Site, Bozo's stays true to its history, and Bozo's serves pork, barbecue, and homestyle cooking. And for all you baby boomers looking for nostalgia, well, it's like stepping back in time. Like way back to the 1950s and 60s. I love this place. And their made-in-the-restaurant kitchen pies are excellent.
You can smell it.
On their wall are all kinds of accolades regarding the uniqueness of this restaurant, as well as old photographs depicting certain time frames in their history. And of course, whenever we hear the name Bozo, we baby boomers think of Bozo the Clown. By the way, Bozo's the restaurant doesn't have anything to do with Bozo the Clown. I got the fried green tomatoes as an appetizer. The dipping sauce is a spicy ranch. The fried batter is crispy and delicious.
Pizza.
Hmm.
You can smell it.
Love that.
I should have let the insides of that batter cool down a bit more, as that green tomato was hot.
Oh no!
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Folks in Tennessee love their barbecue pork, but I'm a Texan and was raised on barbecue beef. So I'm not a fan of pork, so I ordered their 10-ounce hamburger steak with onion rings and potato salad. Now, that's Bozo's most famous, the pig, barbecue sandwich topped with slaw. Judy said it was very tasty. Oh, folks, Judy drives me around, taking me to places that I know you'd like to see in my videos.
Fabulous.
Ow.
Nice.
Taking the digestive enzyme sure does help with taking better care of your gut after eating a hearty meal like this.
Really? Pick a winner.
Gimme, 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 gimme.
Hey y'all, thank you for joining me. Sure hope you get to experience Bozo's here in Mason, Tennessee.
He was hit by a truck, and you were lying out in that gutter dying, and you had time to sing one song. One song that would let God know what you felt about your time here on earth. One song that would sum you up. That's the kind of song that truly saves people.
Hello, I'm Johnny Cash.
I got to ask you how you came up with that sound. Steady like a train, sharp like a razor.
We'd play faster if we could.
The taste of love is sweet.
We're all going to hell for the songs we sing.
And what about me, Charlie? Am I going to hell?
No, June, you're beautiful.
Bound by wild desire, I fell into a ring of fire.
Sorry, it just happened.
You should try taking credit for something every once in a while.
Come on, baby.
Baby, 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 baby.
I fell into a burning ring of fire.
Tell me you don't love me.
I don't love you.
Liar.
And the flames went higher.
Mr. Cash, why don't you refrain from performing any tunes that remind the inmates that they're in prison? You think they forgot?
The ring of fire.
Joaquin Phoenix, Reese Witherspoon.
And what's with the black?
It's like you're going to a funeral.
Maybe I am.
Walk the line.